How to convert your Toyota Century wheels to floating center caps. Firstly, remove them from the wheel. Remove the 3 screws. Phillips head screwdriver required. Remove chrome trim. Now we need to remove the plastic welds. Use a soldering iron to do this. The cap can now be split. The base plate needs to be made smooth. Use a Dremel to do this. Once completed, this should have no raised parts. Now use the bearing plate to mark out the hole. Once the hole is cut, we need to remove some raised details. Once done, the bearing plate can simply be glued on. And it should look like this, so thinner bearing face is fully visible. Check it spins centrally. Now we need to smooth the emblem. It has raised tabs that need to be cut down. It should now look like this. Once done, the chrome trim can be glued on. Take your time and don't get glue on the face. Now we need to attach that emblem to the upper plate. A bead of glue or silicone on the upper edge. Align the finger with the screw hole. Time to put it all together. Add the shaft spacer and nylon lock nut. Use Loctite to secure it all. And finally, the top cap. The kit is now available on my site, along with many others. If you would like a custom set designed and made, send me a DM on here or Insta.